Chief. I'm
Welcome to today's edition of I'm F***ed. So today's message that came into our office is, hey Chief, I'm totally f***ed. I just spent $40,000 at a seminar. Fancy that. I can't find my first deal. My wife is totally up my ass. Please help. Joe from Houston. Well, tell you what, Joe, you're not the only one that has a wife up their ass because you spent $40,000 at a seminar. You know what happens with anyone that's new to the real estate industry when you're trying to find a deal? It's always challenging. The most difficult thing is finding deals. It's not easy. It always looks easy, but it's not. But at the end of the day, what you need to do is you need to make some money as quick as humanly possible. So I'm going to help you get right now. One thing you can do is you can go to our website and check out Deals Delivered. We actually bring deals to people, so you wouldn't be hosed, you wouldn't be screwed. Guess what? I can bring you a deal where you can make $20,000-$30,000 in the next 90 days, and tell you what, your wife's off your ass and life is much better. You could try to find it yourself and continue to f*** yourself, or what you could do is you can probably reach out, get a little help. We're happy to help you. You can call us, you can email us. I'll get you unscrewed out of the situation. So at the end of the day, it's your decision. Do you want to turn around and try to find deals yourself? Which you should. But in the meantime, if you want to get your wife off your ass, give us a call. We'll take care of it for you. We'll take care of your wife for you. So at the end of the day, you got a choice. You can either look for your own deals, which is a great idea, but in the meantime, infill them with one of the Deals Delivered deals and get your wife off your ass. Hope that helps. Hey, if you feel like you're being hosed in a shitty situation, leave a comment below or email us, and I'll try to answer your question for you.